Hello friends, as we all know, the Indian Armed Forces is the fourth most powerful force in the world. It consists of three professional uniformed services: Indian Army, Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. The Indian Army is a voluntary service of India. It is one of the largest standing armies in the world with 12,37,000 active troops and 8 lakh reserve troops. The Indian Navy is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces with 58,350 men and women, including 7,000 personnel of Indian Naval Air Arm, 1,200 Marine Commandos, and 1,000 personnel of the Sagar Prahari Bal. The Indian Navy is one of the largest naval forces and aspires to develop into a blue water navy. So now I am going to present some information about Indian Air Force.
We fly, we fight, we own the blue sky, the earth below, the yonder above. We guard our nation, day and night. Our presence is felt, but we are seldom seen. We strike with precision and power. We defend with valor. Swift and smart, undeterred and unfazed. Generations of courage and sacrifice define our flight. We achieve the impossible. Precision and finesse define our style. We are air warriors. Our people first, mission always. Listen for the sound of our rotors, for the thunder of our engines, and watch as we soar and touch the sky with glory.
As its name suggests, it is the Air Army of India. It ranks 4th position for the world's largest air force. It protects the Indian airspace from external threats and also conducts strikes during conflicts. It currently has 1,39,576 active personnel, 1,40,000 reserve personnel, and approximately more than 1,850 aircrafts. The history of the Indian Air Force dates back 88 years ago when it was first established on 8 October 1932 as an auxiliary air force of the British Empire. It honored India's aviation service during World War II. When India gained independence from British in 1947, the Indian Air Force was named as Royal Air Force and served in the name of Dominion of India. After the government's transition to a republic nation in 1950, the prefix Royal was removed and Indian Air Force got its current name. The badge of the Indian Air Force consists of an eagle with national emblem at the top and Nabas Prishadvitiyam written at the bottom, which means glory that touches the sky, which is also the motto of Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. Some of its notable operations are Indo-Pakistan War of 1947, Congo Crisis, Sino-Indian War, Operation Cactus Lily, Bangladeshi Liberation War, Operation Vijay, Kargil War, Pakistan Navy Atlantic Shutdown, and the recent Balakot strike. The Supreme Commander is the President Ramnath Kovind. The Chief of Air Staff is Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadoria, and the Vice Chief of Air Staff is the Air Marshal Harjit Singh Arora. There is one more rank of Indian Air Force for which is the Marshal of the Indian Air Force. It is the highest rank of Indian Air Force. This rank has been handed by President only on one occasion to a notable commander, Arjun Singh. He is the only Indian Air Force officer till now who has 5 stars. The Indian Air Force is remarkable for having one of the most deadliest aircraft fleet in the world. Sukhoi 30 MKI is one of the most important aircraft of Indian Air Force. It is also the backbone of IAF. It is a Russian origin twin-jet multi-role air superiority fighter jet with a top speed of 2,120 km per hour and a range of 3,000 km. It is a heavy all-weather long-range fighter jet. We have 272 Sukhoi 30 MKI in our fleet. The youngest aircraft in our fleet is the Dassault Rafale. It is a French-origin twin-jet Canard Delta wing multi-role fighter aircraft with a top speed of 1,389 km per hour and has a range of 3,700 km. Out of 36, there are currently 24 Rafale jets arrived in India. The indigenous fighter aircraft in our fleet is the LCA Tejas. It is an Indian origin single engine multi-role light fighter with a top speed of 2205 km per hour and has a range of 3000 km. The hero of the Balakot airstrike are Mirage 2000. It is a French origin multi-role single engine 4th generation jet fighter with a top speed of 2336 km per hour and has a range of 1550 km. The IAF also has MiG-29, MiG-21 and Sepake Jaguar fighter jets in their fleet. Other than aircrafts, the helicopters also play a major role to give service to a nation. AH-64 Apache helicopter is an American origin twin turboshaft attack helicopter. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It has a top speed of 365 km per hour and has a range of 476 km. CH-47 Chinook helicopter is an American origin twin-engine tandem rotor heavy lift helicopter. The primary role of the helicopters is for transportation of troops, artillery, equipment and fuel, etc. It has a top speed of 302 km per hour and can carry payload of approximately 10,900 kilograms. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter is a Soviet Union origin transport helicopter. It has a top speed of 280 km per hour and can carry a payload of 5,000 kilograms. Also, Dhruv, Chetak, Cheetah, Rudra, etc. are other important helicopters who play a major role in any situation. Also, the Indian Air Force has C-130J Super Hercules, C-17 Globemaster, etc. as transport aircrafts, Illusion Il-78 as tanker aircraft, and DRDO Netra, etc. as AWACS aircraft. The Indian Armed Forces have always stood ahead in securing the nation. War victories have proved it, and still, it is shielding with its territory and citizens. The Indian Armed Forces are doing five-dimensional job all day without rest. Soldiers spend most of their life serving on borders. That's what makes Indian Armed Forces light and best over all the other armed forces. My India, my pride.